Lagos local government poll. Election must hold. Protesters demand as they storm Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission office. Undeterred by the heavy rainfall, many protesters have assembled outside the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission office. The dramatic developments unfolded early Friday when protesters occupied one side of the road leading to the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission headquarters, setting up canopies to shield themselves from the downpour while maintaining vigil. The demonstration gained momentum following an unexpected midnight intervention by Rivers State Governor fubara, who reportedly visited the Electoral Commission's premises at 1 a.m. to prevent what he described as an attempt takeover by the Rivers State Police Command. Several high-ranking state officials, including the governor's chief of staff, Edison A., Speaker Victor Okojumbo of the pro-Fubara legislative faction, and Auda West representative Sokari Goodboy were present at the scene, underscoring the gravity of the situation. The protesters, mainly youth groups, stated their presence was to safeguard the Electoral Commission against any attempt to disrupt the electoral process. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more on this story as they become available.